students, welcome to the class. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today let's start with chapter 5, decimals. A decimal has a whole number part and a decimal part. The decimal point, the given dot is a decimal point, separates the whole number part and the decimal part. From here, you can understand easily, the 9.63 is a number. Here, 63 is a decimal part and 9 is a whole number part. As we all know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these all are whole number. Now, the given point is a decimal point. This dot is given over here and it is a decimal point. 9 is a whole number part and 63 after that you can see is a decimal and there is a given number is a decimal part. The point separated the whole number part and decimal part. Now let's start with exercise 5A. But first let's solve some examples. Then we will start exercise 5A. Here can see here 1 place of decimal, 2 places of decimal and 3 places of decimal. First, 10th decimal fraction with 10 as denominator. When there is 10 is in the denominator, you can see it is a 1 place decimal. So we'll put decimal after 1 place from the right to the left. So 0.1. Then 8 by 10 is 0.8 and 7 by 10 is 0.7. Now, 100 decimal fraction with 100 as denominator. If there is 100 in the denominator, so it is a 2 place number, 2 places of decimal, so 0.01. Put point after 2 places. Put decimal after 2 places from the right towards the left. And the same way 10 by 100, so 0.10. Now thousands, decimal fraction with 1000 as denominator. Here 1 by 1000, 3 places of decimal, so 0.001. After 3 places from right towards the left. Here 41, so 0. Here's a 41 by 1000, so 0.041, 3 places of decimal. Let's solve with the exercise. 5A. Write each of the following as a decimal. 7 by 10, so 1 place of decimal, so 0.7. Again here 54 by 10, it is also 1 place of decimal, so we'll put 5.4. Here we put point here, the decimal point, because it is a 1 place decimal. So here it is 199 by 100. So the 2 places of decimal, so 1.99. Now write each of the following as a fraction. Write each of the following as a fraction. You have to write the fraction. Here is 0.08. 2 places of decimal. So 8 by 100. For 2 places 100. For 1 place 10. And for 3 places is 1000. Now again 2 places of decimal. So 8475 by 100. Now 0.03. Again 2 places of decimal. So 0. So this is 0.03. So 3 by 100. Here number D, complete the table. 17 by 20. So first you have to divide 17 by 20 and you will get 0.85. Now here is 0.5. So the fraction will be, here is a fraction, is the decimal. The fraction is 17 by 20. So after dividing, you will get 0.85. And now it is in decimal 0.5. It is a 1 place decimal. So 5 by 10. Now, number E. Write the number name of each of the following. Write the number name. 0.25. Here 0.25. Now, here's a 5. Point 6 NINE 9. Now number 13 is 17 point 006. Now write the following in figures. 2.7 is 2, then put the decimal point and 7. Then 95.90. So first write 95, put the decimal, then 9, then 0. Now 200.07. 200.07. 200 point, then put the point, then 7, 0, then 7. Exercise 5B. Write the following decimals in the place value chart. In this exercise, we are going to learn about the place value chart in the expanded form, the group of like decimals, about the like and unlike decimals, conversion of unlike decimals into like decimals. So first, number A, write the following decimals in the place value chart. The first number is 34.18. So you can see here the place value chart. There is a thousands, 1 by 1000, hundreds, 1 by 100, tens, 1 by 10, decimal point, then ones, tens, hundreds. So number 1, 34 point, you can see number 1, 34.18. So 8 in the hundreds place, number, then 1 in the tenth, then decimal, then 4, then 3. As 4 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. Now 2.753. 3 in the thousands, because it is 3 decimal places is there. So 3 in the thousands place. Now 5 in the hundreds. Now 7 in the tenth. And then put the decimal point and 2 in the ones place. Now the number is 9.256. So 6 in the thousands, then 5 in the hundreds, then 2 tenth, put the decimal point and then 9 in the ones place. Now write the place value of each digit of the following decimals and also write each decimal in the expanded form. You have to arrange first, let's arrange the digit of 18.9 in the place value chart. This is a place value chart and you have to arrange the number in the place value chart, the digit in the place value chart. Now 9 is at the 10th, is a 1 place decimal, so it is in the 10th place. Now decimal, put the decimal, 8 in the ones and 1 in the tens place. 1 in the tens place. Now write the short form of 200 plus 40 plus 1 plus 5 by 10 plus 7 by 100. You can see here the numbers. These are the 7 by 100 is a hundreds, then tenth, then ones, tens and 100. So you have to write 2, 4, 1, put a decimal, then 5 and 7. This is a decimal part and this is a whole number part and this is a decimal point. Number D, which of the following are group of like decimals? Number 2, you have to now the like decimal. Decimal having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. So you can see here the decimal places are not same. So these are unlike decimals because they don't have the same number of decimal places. Because the numbers are not in the same decimal places. So this is unlike decimal. This is not like decimal. Now number 4, the numbers are 15.2, 181.7, 0.3 and 18.9. You can see here the numbers are the same decimal places. So these are like decimals because the numbers are in the same decimal places. Here, convert each of the following into a group of like decimal. Have to convert each of the numbers into the group of like decimal. Here you can see it's a 6.5, then 2.8, then 12.53 and 17.43 and 7. We have to convert the number into the 3 decimal places, 3 places of decimal, because 17.437 is the 3 places of decimal. 17.437 has 3 places of decimal. So first convert the unlike into the like decimal. The maximum number of decimal places contained in given group of decimal number is 3. So we convert each of the given decimals into an equivalent decimal having 3 decimal places by putting 0 or zeros to the extreme right of the decimal part. To convert into the like decimal, we have to see the maximum number of decimal places contained in the given group. First, we have to see the maximum numbers of decimal places contained in the group. Here is 17.437 contain the maximum number of decimal places. Then we have to convert each of the number to into an equivalent decimal having 3 decimal places by adding 1 zero or more zeros to the extreme right of the decimal part. So 6.5, 6.500, 2.8, 2.800, 12.53, 12.530. We have to add 0 to the extreme right of the decimal part. Clearly 6.500, 2.800, 12.530 and 17.437 are like decimals. Now exercise 5.3. Insert greater than or less than in the blanks. Here 2.3 and 5.8. First compare with the whole number. 2 is less than 5. So 2.53 is less than 5.8 or 5.8 is greater than 2.3. Now here number 4, 18.43 and 18.56. Here the whole number is same, 18 and 18. So convert with the 10th place, 4 and 5. 4 is less than 5. Then 18.56 is greater than 18.43. Now 121.3 and 121.37. You can see here 121 and 121 is a whole number. They are same. So let's convert. Now the 10th digit is also same. And there is no 100th place. The 10th place is same. There's no 100th place here. But 121.37 have the 100th place. The 100 compare with the 100th digit. So 121.37 is greater than 121.3. Now arrange the following decimals in ascending order, in the increasing order. Number 3, 9.06, 9.63, 96.5 and 90.6. First, converting the given decimal in like decimals, we have 9.06, 9.63, 96.50 and 90.60. First, convert the numbers in like decimal. So it would be easy to solve the problem. Hence, the given decimals in ascending order, 9.06 is less than 9.63. 9.63 is less than 90.60, that is 90.6, and 90.60 is less than 96.5. So 9.06, 9.63, 90.6, 96.5. Now arrange the following decimals in descending order, decreasing order. So converting the given decimal into like decimals, we have 6.350, 6.305, 6.300 and 6.530. To convert into the like decimal, add 0 in the extreme right of the number. Hence, the given decimal in decimals in decreasing order are 6.530 is greater than 6.350. 6.350 is greater than 6.305 and this is greater than 6.300. So the numbers are 6.53, 6.350, 6.305 and 6.30. That's all for today. We will continue the same chapter in the next class. Do the rest of the sums till 5C. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.